Boris Johnson and Rishi Sunak have written an open letter calling on businesses to unleash an investment big bang to turbocharge growth in Brexit Britain. Ministers are asking big institutional investors to consider long-term investments in UK assets to help the economy bounce back following the pandemic. They want investors such as pension funds to consider switching their strategy to put more money into UK startups rather than listed securities such as shares traded on the London Stock Exchange. It's time we recognise the quality that other countries see in the UK, and back ourselves by investing more money into the companies and infrastructure that will drive growth and prosperity across our country, the letter said. We want to see UK pension savers benefiting from the fruits of UK ingenuity and enterprise, being given the opportunity to back British success stories, and secure higher returns and better retirements. Officials say the government is already taking action to help rip up roadblocks holding back investment in UK assets. Work is underway with regulators to help boost long-term investment. Illiquid assets such as startup firms often require longer duration investments. They can often be difficult to sell, holding back many from investing in them. As part of its wide push to back great British businesses, ministers have also set up the UK Infrastructure Bank, providing finance for businesses that can help support regional and local economic growth. We recognise the responsibility of the government to remove obstacles and costs to making long-term, illiquid investments in the UK, Mr. Johnson and Mr. Sunak wrote. The government is doing everything possible, short of mandating more investment in these areas as some have advocated, to encourage a change in mindset and behaviour among institutional investors, and we remain open to addressing further barriers where they are identified. They added, "We are challenging you this summer to begin to invest more in long-term UK assets, giving pension savers access to better returns and enabling them to see their funds support an innovative, healthier, greener future for their country. We know that this will require a change in mindset for many investors that won't happen overnight. But that is why this change needs to start now." Mr. Johnson and Mr. Sunak said that ministers would explain more about their plans in the coming weeks. They said, "We need an investment big bang to unlock the hundreds of billions of pounds sitting in UK institutional investors and use it to drive the UK's recovery." The letter comes ahead of the government's investment summit in Downing Street in October.